My name is Muhammad Ifat Farooq bin Imran, and my name metric is 2213-02385. Today we would like to present our mini project that we have to using any open source network management tools other than PRTG, and we have to implement the integration of man feature and FCAPS. So basically, we are using the Zabbix. So what is Zabbix actually? So Zabbix is an open source monitoring software tool designed for real-time monitoring other than PRTG network. So in order to light up the Zabbix, we have to using the VMware. So why we are using the VMware? Because the VMware offers a stable environment ensuring Zabbix run reliably without frequent crash or downtime. Other than that, the VMware Advanced Resource Management optimize the performance of Zabbix, ensuring efficient monitoring and data collection. So today I would like to guide you on how to install properly Zabbix in VMware. So basically, the first step, we launch to the official website of Zabbix, and we need to install in this and download, and then we have to configure it on the virtual box. So we start off by opening the virtual box. In this, we are using the VMware, and then we have to paste the actual configurations. So basically, the commands provided and the context surrounding them involve configuring and managing a system. Basically, it for setting up or maintaining Zabbix on the Linux server. And then we need to run this IP to running up the Zabbix server. So basically, we go to this website and then go to this, we copy and paste. So this is the interface for Zabbix. So first and foremost, I would like to sign up first, and then start from basic. The username were admin, and then the password were Zabbix. And then this is the dashboard for Zabbix. As you can see, if you have successfully uh, follow the step by step to install. And then the first thing first, we need to go to the configurations. We need to go to the host, and then we need to setting up our PC. So basically, I already setting up my PC, which is the example here is Nabil 2, and then we need to add the SNMP interface for this. So basically, the SNMP must be used for Zabbix because it facilitates the exchange of management information between network device and monitoring system. So basically, the SNMP is supported by most network device such as routers, switches, servers, or even printers. So basically, I already done. And then in this section, we will guide you on how to print the command line. Mm. So basically, we go to the command prompt. They are already open, and then copy your own PC command prompt, and then paste on this. And then SNMP version 2. So the SNMP community, use example of Jimbit, and then update. And then this is our PC's name, which is the host for the Zabbix appliance. So basically, we go in order to activate the SNMP services. So basically, every window 11 are needed to edit up these features. So basically, we go to the system of channel features, and then we go to the view features, and then we search for SNMP. And then in case of this, I already installed the SNMP simple network management protocol. So basically we just need to add this, and then we go to the service part windows, and then we search for SNMP server service, and then go to the security, and then add. This is a crucial part for connecting to the other PC, and in this case I connected to RSPC. So we need to write and then list down the community name exactly same as the Nabil2, which is Jimbit. In order to connect the other PC, and then add, and then click OK. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Muhammad Ifat. Now I will continue my part, which is I want to show how to implement uh, integration of the main feature of FCAP. So I will demo to you guys. Before I demo, my name is Muhammad Rashadin bin Abdullah. My matrix number is 221302384. Okay, let's go. Last, if I tell that now we use the same community as I am the host now. So this is the community Jimbit that I use. So this is my PC address. This one. So let's continue. After that, I try to add new host, which is my friend's PC. My PC, sorry. Which is this one. So I go to configuration, then host, then I create new host. Then here I rename his name is like Nabil2. Then I select the template, which is application, network device, and template operating system. Sorry. Then I remove this one. Then I add SNMP. Then I put my another teammate IP address here, and I use the same community that I told before, which is Jimbit here. Then I add. So now this one that I add the new. So this is my teammate PC, which is his SMP here, his PC. Now the community and the groups. So after that, I add. Then it should be. I'm so sorry. It should be green here for SMP here. It should be green because it shows that we are connected. But somehow that we actually connected, but Zabbix take too much time to let it green. It should be green here. Yeah, SNMP. But we are connected. We can ping each other, which is let me show you. Ping this IP. Let me show. 192.168 56 and 1. Okay. So if you can see, I can ping with him. So this definitely show that we can actually connected. We actually can ping each other. He also can ping with me, but Zabbix take too long to let this ability to be green. So I make some research and ask my friend why it should be like this. Then yeah, it's the same answer, which is Zabbix take too much time to let it green. So because I'm rushing, so it should be green. Yeah. I just need to take more time actually here. But I can definitely tell you that this mini project is actually uh, successful. Yes, but it's not green. Just like that. So what what can Zabbix ni show? So like I want to explain the Zabbix in terms of FCAP. So firstly, uh, Zabbix can monitoring network device, server, application and service for fault and downtime. So actually it can alert and give notification, like it provide a real-time alert via email, SMS or other method. So uh, we can identify the root cause of fault and reduce alarm noise. So for the configuration management. So Zabbix is maintain an inventory of all monitoring device, including configuration detail. So we can track configuration changes and log them from auditing purpose. So Zabbix can automatically discover network device and their configuration. Which is accounting management. Zabbix tracks resource utilization such as bandwidth, CPU, and memory usage to support billing and cost management. So it also generate report on resource consumption over time, which can be used for accounting purpose. P, which is performance management. Zabbix continuously monitors the performance of network device. So device, application, and service. It sets performs threshold and baseline to detect deviation and performs issues. Zabbix store historical performance data, enabling trends analysis and capacity planning. And last but not least, which is S, which is security management. It has user authentication and authorization. So Zabbix provide role-based access control to ensure that only authorized user can access specific data and configuration. So it maintain logs of user activities and changes to the system for security auditing. Other than that, Zabbix support encryption of communication between its component to protect data integrity and confidential. So this application really secure the security of the user. Okay, so more than that, I will explain to you about the benefits of using Zabbix. So as we know that time has never been better for many service provider MSP. So the demand for remote monitoring service has skyrocketed as cloud adoption rises and working from home become the new standard. So MSP is like very crucial, important to us nowadays. So one what can Zabbix give to us? What benefit of using Zabbix? So first, Zabbix is there are no limits to what you can monitor with Zabbix. So when we say no limit, we mean no limit. Which I sorry. I mean Zabbix literally allow you to monitor anything from any frequency to the any frequency, from hardware to software to middleware to VEP resources, anything we can monitor here. second is we can integrate Zabbix with any client system. So today MSP need to be able seamlessly to integrate their tools and process with IT framework and ITIL guideline. So of their clients as well as their business goals, strategies, best practice. So Zabbix is designed to work with third-party solution and boasts a constantly growing list of official integration. So okay, third is Zabbix makes reporting and analysis simple. Okay. So Zabbix installs with our robust and detailing built-in audit logging functionality, all of which is designed to make it as easy as possible for us to keep our client in the loop. Next is Zabbix makes data easy to visualize. So there are dashboard here, there are graph here we can see. So all of these we can customize dashboard, screen, slideshow to easily track the status of the tenant, infrastructure or application, or even you're in the business sector, so even business service. We can also leverage a wide range of dashboard widgets to aggregate, transform, and graph your data while also track your monitoring endpoint on geographical and network maps, identifying the status of the most critical alarm and sorting your monitoring endpoint by resources usage. And next is Zabbix makes effective security management easier. So we can rely on encrypted communication between Zabbix and Zabbix component, as well as flexible permission, user authentication, and integration with secret vaults for storing password and other sensitive information. Next is Zabbix is inherently scalable. So by deploying Zabbix proxies and letting them collect the process data on behalf of the primary Zabbix server node, we can easily scale your Zabbix instance as our client base expands. So no matter where our client happen to be, and if you need to scale back our business or anything for any reason, it's a simple method of deleting the unused proxies. Last but not least is also Zabbix uniquely cost efficiently. So a key benefit of Zabbix has always been it is open source. So there are no license fees associated for using our Zabbix software, and you're not locked into an endless inflexibility contract. So it is flexible and reasonable to use this Zabbix. So for the conclusion, Zabbix is one of the best option to use as the network monitoring apps. So it have built perfectly to us, to monitoring, to fault managing, to security. All aspect of them are good at in Zabbix application. So it's a good apps, we think. So that's all from us. Thank you so much for your time. And I'm so sorry because SMP is not green, but it should be green. I'm because it's not green, so I can't show if has graph. We can monitoring graph if you know here, because it's not green, so we can show you the graph, but it should be have graph here. Yeah. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.